मैं simple ही हूँ, sorry. Yeah. I think I'm more believable right now.
Hi, Ranveer, Sonakshi. I'll just add to the question. Considering, this is quite a departure from whatever you all have done earlier, did it kind of take you all a while to get into the groove? Considering when you look at the promos, it looks like an epic. So, both of you.
Yeah, it took me some time. We worked through it in workshops. For the first few days, I wasn't getting it. The kind of reserve and reticent character that I had to be, I wasn't getting that. How do you say it? Therav. So for the first few days, I wasn't getting it. It was a bit frustrating. And I think on the fourth day or something, I was like, sir, you've really cast the wrong guy. But Vikram helped me through it. He helped me let go of my fear to show a side of me that I don't usually show to people for whatever reason. But he helped me work through it, and I was able to explore a different aspect of myself as a performer and as a person. So I'm really, really thankful to get this opportunity to work with this guy. This guy. Ask him a question.
I think when Vikram came to me to narrate the story, usually when someone comes with a script, I can usually picture someone and such this heroine will also fit in the role. This heroine will also fit in the role. For this role, I could only picture myself. I believed right from the start that this role was written for me, and I just wanted to give it my best shot. I knew that this would be my most difficult film. I knew it would be my most performance-oriented film, and I took it up as a challenge, and he helped me through it all. So again, thank you, and I hope I've done justice to Paki.
All right, second last question, please.
सोनाक्षी, जैसा कि आपने सुना कि अभी कहा गया कि आपकी सारी फिल्में सफल हैं, लोगों को खूब पसंद आई, आप मैस्कॉट हो गई हैं किसी के लिए, तो यही वजह है कि आप कहीं ना कहीं अपनी फीस आपने यही वजह है कि आपने बढ़ा दी अपनी फीस?
हाँ तो हक से यार.
Sonakshi and Ranveer, you all started off together nearly in 2010 में. With the number of films that you all have done, who is slow, and is Sonakshi overspeeding or Ranveer is slow?
That's a damn good question.
I think Sonakshi is quite, she does mainstream blockbusters, which frankly I really, really enjoy. And yeah, it's amazing. Her Friday, Sonakshi ki picture lag gayi. Her Friday.
I basically multitask, so yeah. हमारी जान के सिवाय.
Hello.
No, actually, it wasn't a tough task. It wasn't a tough task at all. They were both fantastic in the film. They were both very, very good to work with, very easy to work with, real pleasure to work with. So the terrible that she was talking about was the terrible time we had, because it's a really hard shoot and all that kind of stuff. We didn't talk to each other very much. Yeah, it's like that. It's like there's a story, there's a script. I go to them, and we talk about it, and that's pretty much it. Yeah. Uske baad, I don't interfere so much in the actual performances. It's them. It's not me. It's them. It's just me telling them कि हाँ ये कम, वो थोड़ा ज़्यादा, थोड़ा. It's like cooking. I guess I've never cooked.
All right, thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen. That's all we have for you. One last question, come on.
Vikramaditya, direction छोड़ के अब बनेंगे बावर्ची.
Okay, last question, please.
I have a question for Amit Trivedi. Amit, hi.
Hi.
Hi. First of all, take a bow. You had a great year last year, some 6 releases, if I'm not mistaken. Good music. This year, I'm sure we're expecting a lot of fireworks. Yet again, we've seen it in Kaipoche. Lutera is coming up with a lot of promise. Do you think it's your best work so far, considering, you looked very excited when you said this one is a tribute to S.D. Burman, this one is a tribute to Pancham Da. So tell us, how did it go? How do you kind of manage to get it right all the time, and especially with this film?
Actually, not with this film, with all the films that I work, I always say this, that it's the director and the script which drives me, because everything comes from there. Because and with Vikram, it happened earlier now also. He somehow manages to churn out the best out of me. because he is truly the genius. And
that's why singing na Zinda Hu Yaar kafi hai.
Yeah, that is another.
But seems like your music drives a lot of films, you know, considering the way it's getting popular. So
yeah, it comes from the script. It actually, it's always, it's the script that drives me. Because the world, it takes me to, I usually wouldn't make music for myself if I have to do cut my own album. I wouldn't do a song like a Manja or a Sawalu. It's the films that I work on. It's the directors that inspire me to do something like that. And they take out of me.
So what was the brief like for this one?
Brief, as he said also, that there's no brief as such. It's the script. When you read the script, when you read the screenplay, you automatically, get transported to that world. And it somehow instinctively comes out.
Thank you so much, Amit. Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen. We are running out of time, you know. Maybe mera bhi ho gaya. Thank you so much, the entire cast and crew of Lotera, ladies and gentlemen. One more time, let's hear it for them.